Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix story not showing in highlights problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix story not showing in highlights problem, let's first open up our Instagram app, and from over here guys, let's make a story. In order to create a story, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the plus icon available for us. Tap on that and let's take a picture of my keyboard and let's post it for a demo and let's share it. And over here guys, in order to proceed, I want the story to be available on the highlight section of my account. To do that guys, let's go to the highlight section. At the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on it, and over here, in order to make a highlight, we'll be required to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on over there, and here is the story highlight option guys. Let's tap on the story highlight, and you can see guys, there is no picture we just posted on the Instagram, or the story we had just posted on the Instagram is not available over here. So in order to fix this, we'll be required to go back to our Instagram story. So over here guys, this is our Instagram story, and from over here at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the more icon available for us. Let's go back, and we'll be required to tap on the three dotted icon where it says more. And on this interface guys, let's tap on the story settings, and over here let's scroll down where it says the save story to archive. We'll be required to tap the toggle icon for that on, because guys, when the story is available on archive of your Instagram account, then you will be able to highlight that story on Instagram account. If it's not highlighted, but if it's not available on archive, or this button is turned off, then the story will not be available on the archive. Hence the highlight on the highlight section, that story will not be available. And with that being said, let's go back and let's go to the highlight section again. To do that, again, let's tap on the plus button at the top right corner, and over here let's tap on the story highlight. And over here guys, now you can see that story is available for a highlight on our Instagram. Let's tap on that picture and let's tap on next, and over here you can name your highlight anything you like. And after that guys, tap on the done at the top right corner of the screen. Then this picture will be highlighted on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to fix story not showing on Instagram highlights. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.